Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to my channel. It's me, Evelia Sadullo, a teacher in profession whose passion is to do video tutorial. Today, I will just teach you how to add logo to your certificate using Adobe Photoshop CS6, which I forgot to include in my latest upload on how to make an elegant certificate using Adobe Photoshop CS6. Okay, just continue watching guys to learn how. Let's open my previous project, which is the certificate of recognition made from or prepared from Adobe Photoshop CS6. So as you can see, we do not have any logo in here. So let us add some logo so that it will uh, look very nice, and at the same time the company or school or whatever can be viewed from the certificate that you have. So first thing to do is just to open a file containing a logo. So let's say ed, it's one, and just click it open. And as you can see, our project is being covered by the big logo of the tip edge. So what are we going to do is just to click window and go to arrange, and then proceed to up vertical so that we can see the two pictures. So what are we going to do now is to copy this logo to our certificate. So what are we going to click is this one, the move tool. Okay, of course it should be highlight in here. So just click move tool and then right click, and no left click I mean, then click and drag so that it can be transferred to our our certificate. Then you can now close this one so that it can be seen in our certificate. As you can see, it's very uh, big logo. So what are we going to do is to make it smaller in size. So where are we going to go? So just click, because we are still in layer 2 here. So meaning we are in the logo part, this one. So just proceed to edit and then free transform. Then you can see this one line. So just left click on this side, or you can have here left click, and you can drag it to the center until you resize the logo. Okay, as you can see, it also covers the entire certificate or some of the text. So what are we going to do is to transfer our logo uh, after the first layer. So what are we going to do is just to click also, left click, and then drag. Sorry. Again, let us try. We need to check pala. Okay. Let's click and drag it here. Okay. And then you can, so certificate, the word certificate will not be overpowered because it was our background. So I think it should be prior. Let's see what happened. It should be here. But it's not being seen. So it's proper. We can just resize so that it will be seen here. It's up to you where you want to put your logo. So the problem here is that this one certificate is original. We take this one from the background, so we cannot do otherwise to insert to insert before that word. So we can just move our logo in such a way that it will not cover the word certificate. Okay, you can put it anywhere you want here. You can also cover this one here. Just resize anywhere you want. You can just move. Okay, let's resize again. Get smaller. Boom. Check. Okay, then you can do other. And add another logo. See my school logo. I will add my school logo. This one. Then again, we need to show the two photos. So click arrange, then to up vertical, and then again we need to transfer this logo to our certificate. Just click, make sure that you are highlighting the certificate here. It's not this one. So it should be our logo, and click the move tool here, move tool, then left click and drag. Then you can close this one already. And again, we can resize our logo by clicking again, edit, and free transform. So you can adjust. And then you can move this one to this side. So it's up to you where you want to put your logo. So just uh, make sure it's good to look at. You can also, let's see here. Only that it will cover our text. Okay, can just have it here. Okay, that's simple guys, how to add logo to your certificate. I hope you learned something from this short tutorial. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel, and if you like my video, please do not also hesitate to click the like button. And thank you so much for watching. See you guys on my next video.